Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your voice sound muffled in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to hit the record button here and I'm going to press that red button and I'm going to start recording. So this is what my voice sounds like when the audio is muffled. I'm just going to then stop recording that and I'm going to go to speed here, so it's on the right. Then I'm going to times it to the 10x speed. Right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to times it to 0.1x speed and you're going to enable voice tone change, and that's it. This is what it sounds like after. And that is it. Super easy, simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!